guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another Love Me hair wig install. Today I will be showing you guys how quick and easy it is to install this 4C edges ready to wear Kinky Bob minimalist lace glueless C-part wig. Now being that this wig does come with 4C edges, we are going to be comparing the edges on this wig to my natural edges just so we can make sure that she is 100% exactly what she says. But as always, you guys know that Love Me Hair likes to send a bunch of goodies along with the wig in itself, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick unboxing before we get started. Alright, so last but not least, I did just want to let you guys know that Love Me Hair always sends this little pamphlet whenever you purchase wigs from them. This pamphlet will let you know exactly how to care for the hair, returns, exchanges, how to reach out to customer service, etc. So if you have any questions, make sure you check out this pamphlet first. That way you know exactly what to do, especially when it comes to hair care. Alright, so here is the wig. The wig always comes nicely packaged and well taken care of, so it has the net around it and it also has the tissue inside to protect the lace. Now right off the bat, you guys, this hair is so soft and it's so full and bouncy too, which is crazy. This is a kinky straight texture. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up as to the texture of the wig, the inside of the wig, etc. But I do just want to let you guys know that this is considered a C-part wig, so you only have this little bit of lace to worry about. We are doing a straight out the box wig install because Love Me Hair always sends their wigs ready to go, and I want to showcase that to you guys. So I'm not going to be doing any bleaching, I'm not going to be doing any plucking, nothing. Okay, we're just going to throw her on. She is 100% glueless as well, you guys. She has the 3 different combs inside of the wig as well as the adjustable strap. So I'm going to give you guys a close-up of everything just so you can see it very clearly. Alright, so I am super excited to throw this wig on, but really quick, I do have to give you guys a close-up of these 4C edges. I almost forgot for a second. That is the purpose of this wig. So let me give you guys a close-up of the 4C edges before I throw her on. Okay, so honestly, you guys, this wig is already super cute. I see the vision, okay? Now remember, the wig does have combs inside as well, so I am going to be utilizing those combs just to make sure my wig is nice, tight, and secure because I like her nice and snug. So now I'm gonna zoom in really quick just so I can give you guys another close-up of these edges. Then we're gonna cut off the additional lace, and then I will show you guys the 4C edges on the wig compared to my natural hair and show you how easy it is to just blend in. Okay, so I'm sure you guys can see the little edges right here, the little 4C edges. Now my hair is slicked back, so I'm gonna take out as much hair as I can just so I can show you guys the similarities between the 4C edges on the wig and my natural edges. All right, so this is my natural edges right here. As you guys can see, majority of my hair is slicked back, but I took out this little bit of hair. Now I'm gonna put the wig, like the lace, behind my natural edges, just so you guys can see how quickly it blends in. So here's the wig, my natural edges. I'm gonna take this, leave it right behind there. You guys see that? You can't even tell. So this is my edges literally right here. Wig, my edges. I'm gonna lay the wig down, it's behind my edges. The edges on the wig blend right in. All right, so now it is time for the easy part. It's time to style the rest of the wig. So I'm gonna add some makeup on my lace. This is a C part, so we will be doing a nice C part as well. I'm gonna add some makeup on that C part. We're going to flatten the top of the wig. I will show you guys what it's looking like before I straighten the rest of it. Then we'll straighten the rest of the wig. Alrighty, you guys, we are all finished. Can I just say that I love this wig? Now, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you guys know that I'm a very big fan of Luvme hair in general, but I'm also a very big fan of kinky straight wigs because they just look extremely natural. You see the edges and you see the texture, and it's just giving natural all the way around. On top of that, I love the cut of this bob. I think it's super cute, and I also love how full and how fluffy this hair is. It's not stiff. She has tons of movement even though it is a kinky straight texture. I don't even think I need to say anything else. Like, this hair is just so nice. It is so nice all the way around, and it looks extremely natural. I definitely recommend this wig to all of my ladies out there who need something simple that they could just throw on and go. And I think that this wig is honestly suitable for any occasion. You could wear this wig to work, you could wear it to school, you could wear it to a special event, you could wear it when you're just running errands. It's giving natural, but you can also dress it up as well because of the nice bob and the C part. I feel like that's a very nice touch to it. Shout out to Luvme Hair for being super consistent whenever it comes to their glueless wigs, their minimalist install type of wigs. Like, they mean what they say, okay? Again, everything will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.